This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stephens. This beautiful Splendor model feels like a brand new home. Spacious and open, light, bright and airy. The neutral color palette will blend with any decor. You will enjoy entertaining family and friends as this home features a gorgeous kitchen perfect for preparing holiday feasts. As an added bonus, this home is part of the Techo Pilot program and features solar panels. Come put your personal stamp on this great house today. Medley at South Shore Bay is a private, gated, 55+ fantastic community where you can do as much or as little as you want. The resort-style clubhouse features a ballroom, gym, card rooms, shows and entertainment. Live music, DJ and karaoke parties, pickleball, bocce ball, a tropical beach entry pool, indoor and outdoor dining and full bar service. You can also participate in many clubs and outings with your neighbors. As an owner in Medley, you also enjoy full membership at the 5+ acre South Shore Bay Crystal Lagoon. In addition to the Tot Splash Pad, obstacle courses and swimming, your whole family will have a blast at the movie nights, poker nights, cigar nights, dance parties, full bar, swim-up bar, food trucks, fireworks displays, holiday celebrations and golf cart parades. Isn't this why you moved to Florida? All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to buyer verification. One-time $2,150 capital contribution due from buyer at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stephens at 561-929-2269 cell.